cute floor plan called the Caroline. It's about 1,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 1-story, our 2-car garage. Let's go take a peek. So immediately when you walk through the door, we have a nice coat closet here. They have all the electronics. We call it a smart home. Just a central place where you can hook up satellites and all that fun stuff. Laundry room and garage entry, so all the kiddos could throw down their backpacks, purses, all that fun stuff. So here's our kitchen, good size, nice and open, tons of natural light. Give you a nice view of tall ceilings, all the LED lighting, all the energy efficiency. They build these homes with spray foam insulation in the attic. Huge pantry. Remember, this is only 1,500 square feet, so that's a really good size pantry for 1,500 square feet. Here we have dual sink bathroom. Huge bathroom for the secondary bathroom for the kiddos here. Kind of 1-bedroom. Really good size bedroom. Probably 10 by 12. I'd have to look at the exact measurements, but another good size bedroom here. 20 is good size. These are, I think, full size beds. So it feels a little bigger, a little wider. Got a little bump out there. Come back into the kitchen. Master bedroom. Horton always does their models tastefully, and they're not the type of models that the builder, like what you see is not what you get kind of thing. They didn't pump in $100,000, $150,000 of options in their models, and then you're stuck with something that you love but can't afford. That's not them. What you see is what you get, which is nice. So double sinks. Walk-in shower, lots of storage for linen. I know I get some of my clients that say this is kind of funky, they weren't sure, you know, what they should do, but I've had other clients just go run to Home Depot, pop these shelves out, they're not hard to do, run to Home Depot, get the prefabbed upper and lower cabinets, and just install them with a nice little countertop in here, and it's not very expensive. It's like a weekend DIY project that you can totally do, and then you have something even, you know, nicely upgraded if you didn't like this look. But that's just another option. You don't have to do anything like that. Another nice walk-in closet. Good size toilet room. Take you a nice look inside. Kitchen. You can totally be making dinner, watching TV, watching the kids do their homework, all that fun stuff. Sit at the island. And for this price, it's crazy what you can get. And the location cannot be beat. I mean, wait till I show you on a map. 30-minute drive. So I'm in Gilbert, and my drive here, not even getting on the freeway, I can get here in 18 minutes. For this price point, you're either going deep Santan Valley, Maricopa, Costa Grande, Florence, the outskirt cities. And so if your drive is anywhere near the city, or your drive is anywhere near the airport or Scottsdale or anything like that, the location cannot be beat. Their drive time is nothing on these. And look at how big these backyards are. This is crazy. The amenities in this neighborhood are beautiful. You can see all the construction stuff, but HOA is very affordable. I mean, what's not to love? So if you have any questions about this one or want to know what current payments are, incentives, that stuff, give me a shout. I'd be happy to help you.